Welcome to SRBPS online classes. We were already discussing the concept of the theory of the national income. There comes the new concept of depreciation. You are already familiar with this word of depreciation. Let us elaborate this word in context to this unit national income. We have done this practical part. From that practical part we know this thing that gross investment minus net investment is the value for the depreciation. Investment means the capital stock of the economy. Economy में जितनी भी सब fixed assets हैं, जितना भी सब investment है, वो gross investment का part है. Now this gross investment is of course inclusive of the depreciation. इसके अंदर depreciation का value add है. And this net investment is the actual increase in the capital stock of the economy. Actually में जितना increase हो रहा है, subtraction of the depreciation. Investment, net investment does not include the value of depreciation. As it includes the value of depreciation, it excludes the value of depreciation. That is why gross investment minus net investment is the depreciation value. Now, let us consider this depreciation term and let us elaborate this term. What is depreciation? Of course, depreciation is the fall in the value of fixed asset. हमें अब तक इतना ही definition आता था that depreciation means the fall in the value of fixed asset. Now, with context to this particular unit, what is depreciation? Let me add few points to this term depreciation. Yes, it is fall in the value of fixed asset, that is because of either normal wear and tear, because of passage of time, or the expected obsolescence. That means depreciation refers to the fall in the value of fixed asset, fall in the value of fixed asset, and that fall is because of the three things. Those three things are normal wear and tear, passage of time, and the expected obsolescence. Let us discuss these three reasons one by one. Depreciation because of the normal wear and tear. As the fixed assets are continuously used in the production process, of course their productive capacity will decrease with the passage with the time. आप किसी fixed asset को time के साथ use करोगे, उसका productive activity, productive capacity reduce होगा ही होगा. वो understood होता है. किसी एक ऐसे person को जिसको depreciation के बारे में knowledge भी नहीं होगी, वो भी ये बात जानता होगा that yes, the depreciation because of the normal wear and tear, the asset value decreases. Okay, point number 2. Sometimes the depreciation occurs because of the passage of time. It may be possible that the asset is not put to use. Asset को आपने use में भी नहीं रखा हुआ है. Then also it may depreciate. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो normal wear और tear से ही हो. Normal wear and tear is one of the most common reason. Passage of time. कोई एक asset आप उसे use भी नहीं कर रहे हो, it may also depreciate because of the natural factors that occurs like rain, wind, etc. Because of the rain, because of the wind, because of the weather, all such things contributes to the fall in the value of the asset. Fall increases the depreciation of the asset. Okay. The third is expected obsolescence. Expected obsolescence means the known thing. The known thing. It is of course the expected thing that because of the change in the demand, the change in the technology, the pattern things in the society that are changing, and because of those things the asset value decreasing. A particular asset is producing a particular kind of commodity. कोई एक particular investment एक particular kind of commodity produce करती है. Time के साथ उस commodity का demand अब market से finish हो गया है. वो asset कुछ और produce नहीं कर सकती है. इसका मतलब वो asset की value अब depreciate हो गई है. That asset is useless for that particular firm, क्योंकि जो वो प्रोड्यूस कर रही थी उस प्रोडक्टिव वैल्यू की अब मार्केट में कोई एक्चुअली सेल वैल्यू नहीं रही है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द चेंज इन द टेक्नोलॉजी, बिकॉज ऑफ द चेंज इन द डिमांड फॉर गुड एंड सर्विसेज, डेप्रिसिएशन ऑल्सो अकर्स. सो depreciation refers to the fall in the value of fixed asset. Listen to this point. It is fall in the value of fixed assets only due to normal wear and tear, due to passage of time, and due to the expected obsolescence. Mind this word expected. ये expected होता है कि आने वाले time में technology change होगा, demand change होगा, the asset will depreciate its value.